Good evening, madam.
So I've seen a number of you are in. We'll just start straight with our lesson. Today, I'm going to take you through library operation and we're going to base on cataloging. Briefly, I want you to remind all of us because this is something we did last time. I want you to define for us the term catalog because you know catalog was derived from the term cataloging. Anybody who can attempt to define for us what is a catalog? Any attempt? Yes, Winnie? Yes? Yes, Mercy? Yes, that is a good trial. Any other? As she has said, a catalog, it is a list of documents. Are you getting me? A catalog is a list of documents arranged according to the same logical plan determined by the purpose it serves. It is a yes, by the purpose it serves. So I'll go to what is cataloging. Esmeralda, cataloging.
Cataloging is the process of describing.
Yes, Mercy. As Winnie has said, it is a process of describing an item and assigning it a class number. So after we've known the definitions of the term, so I want you to state the objectives of cataloging. Any trial, any objectives of cataloging? Is Bramwell in? Any trial?
To facilitate the process.
Yes? Can you project your voice? We're not getting you clearly. Yes? Okay, you can tell us one objective of cataloging. Yes? Yes, that is a good attempt. Any person? Any other person? Yes, yes. Go on. It saves on time. Yes, that is correct. Let me take you through what I have with me. Number one, I have to facilitate the process of information retrieval. Number two, we have to collect related entries in the catalog. And the third one, we have to guide users on the item held in a collection through the call number. Up to there, who has not understood any point? Are you okay? Another one, we have to save time for library users and staff. Another one to record titles of documents. And lastly, we have to provide cross-reference to users from one entry point to another. So those are the objectives of a library catalog. And briefly, I want to take you through the functions of a library catalog. So I want you to give me the functions of a library catalog. Any trial? Yes. Functions of a library catalog.
Collocative function.
Yes, that is true. Collocative function. As you know, collocative function, this enables a user to locate an item which the author, title, or subject is. This is whereby, if, for instance, if you go to retrieve a book in the library, you can just, if you know the author of the book, you can search the book using the author's name. But if you're not sure, you can just key in the title of the book, then you'll get access of the information material you want. Another one, we have collocative function. This shows what items are given in a library. Another one, we have informative function. When we talk about informative function, it enables a user to make a choice of item he or she requires and not necessarily browse through the shelf. When we talk of informative function, this means in layman's language, if you go to the library, it's not necessary that you go to the shelf, then you start looking for the book one by one from one shelf to another. That means you will waste a lot of time. So the easiest way, you can just use the opaque, then you will retrieve a book. Lastly, we have the inventory function. The inventory function assists the library staff in the administrative function like stock taking. When you're talking about stock taking, this is when an information material is being brought into the library, you have to know how many numbers of maybe books you've ordered, so that is it. Up to that point, any question, any point that you need clarification? Are you okay? So up to that point, I want to leave you with an assignment. And our assignment today is I want to, in your groups, I want you to do to describe different types of catalogs. Then the assignment should be handed over before our next lesson so that I can peruse and add on what you did. So briefly, I want you to tell us what you've learned. Yes, I'll start with Winnie. What have you learned in our lesson today?
I've learned about the functions of library catalog.
Yes, Winnie has learned about the functions of a library catalog. Esmeralda, what have you learned in our lesson today? Yes. Oh, that is good. I see most of you have really grasped the concept. So that marks the end of our lesson. Have a good evening.
Good evening, madam. Good night.